Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Kevin, and I'll be your host for this complete beginner course on SolidWorks. This will be a series of step-by-step tutorials on CSWA level models. This course is also meant to help you learn a design intent methodology that will help you create smart 3D models that will make it easier for you to revise, increase your accuracy, and speed up your modeling during the examination. So, let's get right into the tutorial. What's up YouTube? Kevin here, and I don't know, and but I'm here for I'm here for you guys, and I do have another part to show you guys that is just more bosses, more extrudes, more cuts, and it's gonna be awesome. So let's look at it, and it's gonna be this pyramid shape with some stair steps in it, and it's gonna be A, B, and C, and this one's gonna really drill into those bosses and extrude cuts. So let's get right into it. So we're gonna first start. We're gonna go File, New. We're gonna go to parts and millimeters. And this one, let's see where our origin's at. So we have our Z going down, and our in the last video I said Z going to the right. It's not right, it's X going to the right, and then Y going up. So it looks like our part is in the correct orientation. Our plane is gonna our sketch is gonna start on the right plane for this one. So what we could do is kind of line up our right plane, or right click it, hit sketch, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hide my sketches, and then we're gonna hit our insert line, and then just quickly draw up something that looks like stair steps. So going down the stairs, how many times did we go down the stairs? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I made this one exaggeratedly huge, and we're gonna go to B. We're gonna hit I did it again, guys. I did it again. I forgot that we have A, B, and C values. So let's go to our equations, manage equations, hit our A's, which is going to be our A. Let's quickly reference it. It's going to be A equals 110, 60 is B, and then C is 60. So 110. Our B is going to be 60, and then our C is going to be 60. Great. Okay, now we could continue. So let's press edit sketch. Stars smart dimension English, Kevin, English equals B. Global variable. Press OK. Going down right here, we're gonna hit equals C. We're gonna hit our global variable right here. Press OK. And we're gonna add in some dimensions. So our first one up here is gonna be 20. And our second one right here. And if you went too far, make sure to just drag that a little bit over here before you add the dimension. And hit 20 again. And then it's 20 going down the first stair. Make sure to drag. Ooh, I don't want. Make sure to drag that a little bit, if I could drag. And then this one's gonna be the 40. Be here to here, 40. Okay, great. So that is the profile of our stairs. So we're gonna extrude it by A value. So features extrude, and then we're gonna hit equals A. Press OK right here. Press OK. Now we've extruded. And then to finish it up, we're gonna go to our front plane, sketch, and we're gonna create a diagonal or angled line. Point, point, point. So just a simple triangle. And we're all triangles on the inside, right? So we're gonna add our 40 here. And then just quickly extrude cut through wall. Press OK. And then bing bang, we got ourselves the part. Beautiful, right? Beautiful, marvelous. Just look at it. Kiss it if you want. Don't kiss it. So we're gonna go to our evaluate, mass properties. Make sure we change our properties. And did I mess up last video and not add the density? I probably did. So we're gonna make sure it's 0.0079 and it's 4 significant figures. Make sure it's 4.79. Let's press OK. And we see that our part is 1569.4667 grams. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay, cool. So we're gonna hit the exit button here. And then what we're gonna do, like we always do, is that we're gonna add a second configuration, which is gonna be T1.4.2. That's okay. Rename the first one T1.4.1. We're gonna go to our first configuration, right click our equations. We're gonna hit this configuration. We're gonna change our first value, and we're gonna check out the values first before we change anything. It's gonna be 120, 55, and 65. So 120. This configuration. 55. This configuration. And this one's gonna be 65. Huh. I did something wrong here, didn't I? Yes, I did. I switched them around. That's funny. Okay. So you see we have this. Press OK. We have our... we can fix that real quick. So let's say you made them in the wrong configurations and you need to change that name. So you can double click it. Just add anything. Change. Not cham. Change. And we're going to go to the second one. Change that name. Look at that. My spelling is atrocious. What are you doing, Kevin? Okay, great. Now we just exchanged them. It's easy. We could go back and forth. It looks dandy. Just a quick part. Quick part edited. It looks good. Go to our second configurations. Mass properties. And that looks good. Okay. Let's save our part before we end this video. 4. Press OK. Okay, great. Now, in the next part, I'm actually going to show you guys a couple new things this time. Think. The maker is finally new stuff. But this one, it should have pounded into how to extrude and how to cut away parts. Making sure you get that rhythm, adding the equations, making sure you add your values in there. Most of the equations parts and the values A, B, and C is so you could understand how the examination is going to teach you or give you parts as questions, and they're just going to give you those A's and they're going to make you change it, and then you're going to head over to the next part, do the same exact thing. It's probably going to be a little bit more complex part, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Laters. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I will answer as a reply comment or as a short video between the courses to help out any others who probably have the same question as you. Feedback and video suggestions are appreciated and helps me to improve the design of the content for you all to better enjoy and learn. Thank you for watching, and all of you have my greatest respects for pursuing to learn new great things.